Hi, welcome to the Orange Coast College Transfer Center, Cal State University Transfer Application Workshop Series. Video number 8. Today we'll be talking about the quadrant number 4 within the Cal State Apply application, Program Materials. Quadrant number 4 can be found in the bottom right-hand section of your Cal State Apply home page under My Application. The Program Materials section is related to the campuses that you select on your application and the majors and the requirements that each campus has. This is the only section of the application that the campuses can customize, and so you'll see that the information here varies. So in your Program Materials quadrant, you will see a list of the campuses that you selected to apply to and the major that you selected at each campus. If that is not correct, you can go back in and update that in your program selection. But once you're satisfied with that, then you're going to want to work each campus that you've put on your list. It's important to note that each campus will have variable information in here. They're not all going to look the same. They will all have some general information about the campus, but the questions they ask you are customized by campus. If you see a campus checked off with a check mark automatically, it means that there's just information there for you. There's nothing for you to complete or fill out. And it's just, you want to read it, but you don't have anything to do in that section. Once you click onto a school that does have information needed, you're going to see that you'll see a Home tab and then usually a Questions tab. Many campuses have 2 tabs, Home and Questions. You'll also see campuses that have 3 tabs. In the case of Cal State LA, the example you see there, there's a Home tab which gives information, questions for you, and then prerequisites. So that would be based on the major that you selected at that campus. It's a basic matching tool that's based on the academic history section and the coursework that you entered in on your application. So the Help Center in your Cal State Apply application can provide additional information on program material. But in general, the Home tab is going to have deadlines, important requirements, some links to campus information, maybe financial aid, housing, things like that. Questions are going to vary from school to school. Often it would be either about your associate degree for transfer or how many units you have. Some campuses have a COVID acknowledgement. So you're going to see a variety of things in these tabs. Your goal would be to go ahead and finish each of the questions or the prerequisites section, and then your goal will be to get a check mark next to each of the campuses that you select. If you have questions about how to fill out specific sections on any of the 23 campuses that you may be applying to, you certainly can reach out to the Transfer Center or to the campus itself to get some further guidance, but for the most part, they're very simple. So that should take care of it. Quadrant 4 is really simple. If you have any questions, though, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for joining us.